Gege, 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 gege. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make bone straight wig using braid extension. Then we need scissors, we need weaving cap, we need thread and needle, we need crochet needle, we need weaving brush. Then here we go for our hair. Bring out your expression and bring out your weaving net. Then pin it down with pin. After that, you bring out your Swiss lace and your needle, then you sew it down like so. So guys, do you want to learn more about this channel? Please kindly subscribe now. Okay, subscribe and don't fail to press the notification bell. In case of each time I upload video, you shall be the first person to be notified. And if you do enjoy watching this video, please do me a favor guys, to share this video to your loved ones. Like, okay guys? Okay, let's move on. Yeah. So guys, the next thing that we are going to be doing here, we are going to be cutting the excess lace out of it. Then before we now start doing the crochet, okay guys, please, one thing I must beg of you guys, when you're cutting the excess lace, you have to be careful. Okay, yeah. Here we go for the crochet guys. Please guys, I will advise you to sit and watch this video to the end, because the method that I'm going to be using here is a different method. You know, we all have different methods to do crochet. So the method I will be using here is different. Okay guys, so sit and see how I will be doing the crochet. Okay guys, then from this beginning the method is different. Then from the up, the method will still be different for the crochet. Okay guys, so you have to sit there, you know, grab your popcorn and watch this video to the end, so that you can be able to know how I start and how I will be ending the video. Okay guys, So guys, I will be leaving the links of my video in the description box. Please don't fail to watch my videos. Okay guys, yeah. So what we need here guys, we just need a little strand of hair. And when you are doing the crochet guys, please don't give a space, especially from this very place here. Don't give a space, okay? Because I believe that when you do it this way, and this will make your hair full very well. And the method that I use here for the crochet is a different method guys, because this method is a method that people normally use to crochet, okay? And I have my own reason to do it this way. You know, the method I use from the beginning is a different method, while the method I use here is different method which people normally use, okay guys? And I have my own reason to use this method here, okay? So that is how we'll be doing it step by step and step by step until we get to a place where we are going to be doing the vertinate guys, because I'm not going to be showing you all, because for me I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why I do it this way. So guys, let's go. Okay, so the next thing we do here, we bring out our tiny mat crochet pin. You can see that the crochet pin I use from the beginning is different than this very one, you see. So the next thing that we will be doing here, we are going to be doing the crochet right now, which is the ventinate, okay guys? Sorry for using that language. So when you do your ventinating, you have to just, you know, dip your crochet pin just to pick like one hole and leave like one hole of net. Then after that you pick out like 3 strands of hair, okay? So that is how you will be doing the ventinate step by step and step by step until you achieve what you want, okay guys? So please keep on watching, watch and watch this video to the end, okay? Don't fail to like, subscribe, share guys. Do you get a favor, okay? Wow, oh my goodness. So you bring out your contour conditioner and you know, apply it, and after that you dip your hair into the bowl and then apply hot water on it. Then after that, guys, you have to leave it for like about 5 minutes, you know, to 10 minutes. Then here we done. You bring out your hair, dry it with clean towel, then stretch it with this iron comb. Okay, then after that, you have to bring out your stretcher iron. So before you do so, guys, subscribe now. So have to stretch your hair with low heat iron. Yes, you have to be low heat, guys. If not, this hair is going to burn. So you have to stretch your hair or iron your hair with a low heat. Okay, guys, I hope you can see the look here, guys. Wow. Look at my Bone Straight wig. I can't wait to rock my Bone Straight wig, guys. I can't wait. You see, you can still do it to yourself, guys. Not every time you'll be going to salon and salon. You know, the amount of money I spent for this is not up to, maybe it's not up to 10 euro. Yes, it's not up to 10 euro. Yeah, you see, than for you to go to the salon and spend a lot of money. So you can still do it to yourself, guys. You can still do it. You can do it yourself. Okay, yeah, I'm just doing this just to save my money. Not every time we'll be spending money for hair just like that. Yeah. So what are we seeing here? We are seeing original Bone Straight hair, original human hair. Guys, just wait, I'm going to shock you guys. Wow, what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe now. You better subscribe now, guys. If you want to see more video, go in there and subscribe now. I hope you like the way I achieve my Bone Straight wig. The pepper there. I can't wait to rock my Bone Straight wig, guys. Oh my dear. See as body just dey catch me. Who is this? Oh my goodness, is it Blessing? You have to go and do the same thing for yourself. Don't jealous me. You see the way I'm rocking my hair right now. I can't wait to flex this hair. Guys. Oh my goodness. Again. Wow. You see it, guys, I'm rocking my hair already. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. So guys, please, if this video is helpful to you guys, don't fail to subscribe, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.